But first, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button to become part of our community at Classic Barber Academy. Now to the business of the day. I have my young client in my chair today. Basically what I will be doing is a skin fade. At the top, I will be using my curling sponge to create a curling effect with some product. Now with my smart metal trimmer from Wmark, I punch in my first initial guideline. Here I make sure that this punch line goes all the way to the back while maintaining consistency in the process. Guys, if you are looking for an affordable trimmer, I highly recommend this trimmer. It's by Wmark with model number NG203 Smart Metal Hair Trimmer. But Wmark is not sponsoring this video, it's just my personal preference. Next is to remove all the excess hair underneath this punch line to create a board panel. Here, I grab my 115 clipper from Wmark. I set the blade to the full lever position to establish a half-inch guideline. Now, as you can tell, I'm carefully pushing the half-inch into the panel, making sure that this guideline is as even as possible. Now, I'm dusting off some loose hair with my brush to establish a clean section. With a 1.5 guard, the blade is at a full lever position. I'm establishing a full inch guideline. As you can tell, I'm carefully repeating my process, making sure that everything is at a 1.5 length. Now, with a 1 guard, the blade is at a full lever position. I'm going with the grain to smooth everything out. Returning back to my initial punch line with 1 guard, the lever all the way closed. I'm pushing the blade a 1/4 inch at a time. Now halfway, just a 1/4 inch at a time. And now fully open, but at this time I'm only using the corners of the blade to create the transition. As you can tell, the process has paid off and the fade is coming together. The next line is what I call the ridge line. This line helps determine the difference between the higher fade and the lower fade, which I will explain in a moment. Going back into the initial punch line with no guard, deliver all the way close, starting from the scale line. I push my blade a half an inch to create my first transition. Now halfway. And now fully open as I connect the fade to the ridge line, using the corners of the blade to create a blurry transition. Finishing off from the lower layers of the ridge line, I grab my one guard, deliver all the way open to make a quick cleanup at the upper layers. As you can tell, the fade is looking clean. Lastly, I came in with my Geemy electric shaver to add more transition to the fade.